If you want to make money selling digital products on Etsy, it's important that you know exactly what to expect. Not all digital product niches are created equal. Different types of digital products have different levels of demand from customers, competition amongst other sellers, and even vastly different acceptable price points. All of these factors play a role in determining exactly how much monthly revenue you can expect to earn from your digital product business. In this video, I want to peel back the curtain and show you some behind the scenes data within some super popular and also highly underrated digital product niches. We'll take a look at how much monthly revenue each individual product is generating, and I'll even show you the total monthly revenue for top selling Etsy shops in each niche. By the end of this video, you'll be able to make an informed decision when it comes to deciding exactly which digital products you want to sell in your Etsy shop. As with all my videos, I'm dropping the timestamps below, so if there's a niche you're particularly interested in, feel free to skip ahead to that part of the video. All right, let's jump right into it. As you can see, I've got Profit Tree's product finder pulled up here, which is the tool that I use to do my behind the scenes Etsy research. This tool works great for testing my product ideas before I create them. That way I don't have to risk wasting time creating products that customers aren't looking for. So I'm going to start off my search by first clicking this hot on Etsy button. Selecting this filter ensures that Profit Tree will show you the most in-demand products. We're going to be exploring 5 different digital product ideas together in this video. So I'm going to start off by typing in my first product idea, which is printable wall decor. Okay, so now we have some results here of some different types of printable wall decor that are selling well on Etsy right now. We can see that these first 2 results are actually entire shop bundles. And as brand new sellers, if we're just getting started in this niche, it's going to take us a while to be able to build up our shop inventory. So we're going to ignore these 2 results for now, and we're going to look at this third result here. We can see that this product is generating over $2,500 a month, and we can actually select this view on Etsy button. That way we can see everything that's included in this product. All right, so from this product listing, we can see that this just includes 1 printable design. And even though this item is pictured in a frame here, we can tell from the title of this listing that this is a digital download. So when buyers purchase this wall art, they're sent the file and then they can print it themselves. That means that $2,500 that the seller is generating every month from this product is totally passive income. All right, so now I'm back at Profit Tree, and I actually want to select this shops button up here at the top. That way we can see exactly how much monthly revenue each of the shops in this niche are generating. Okay, so I actually have some of the information on my screen censored right now. I'm just doing that to protect these sellers from having a large amount of people flooding over to their shop and not actually buy anything. But I am able to see the names of each of these shops on my end. And when you use Profit Tree to do your product research, you'll be able to see all the information as well. Okay, so we currently have this filtered by monthly sales. So we're seeing the shops that are getting the highest volume of sales every month. I want to take a look at this result here. This shop is generating over $4,000 every single month. And I know that you can't see the name of this shop, but the name does indicate that this seller only sells art and that they sell art that's focused on a specific art style. This is a really good practice because it encourages multiple orders and it encourages repeat orders from previous customers. Etsy absolutely loves it when you have repeat buyers. So if you want to sell printable wall art, honing in on a specific art style is a great strategy that can land you on the first page of Etsy relatively quickly. I'm going to select the view on Etsy button here. That way we can check out their shop. Okay, so this seller has been on Etsy for 1 year. They have 130 listings on their shop, and their shop description indicates that everything is printable. Just taking a look through their art style here, everything looks very cohesive, and they've got some art that's clearly designed for kids and nurseries, but they've also got some more elegant, elevated pieces as well. Again, their strategy is really great for attracting repeat buyers and orders containing multiple products. Jumping back into our digital product search, let's go ahead and look at the second digital product on our list, which is homeschool worksheets. Okay, so we've got our results here, and I'm going to go ahead and view this top selling product here on Etsy. Okay, so this product is clearly in demand. You can see that 5 different people have bought this in the last 24 hours. And again, just like the printable wall art that we just looked at, this type of digital product is designed to be downloaded and printed out by the buyer as is. That means that sellers in these niches really don't have to do very much customer service. As soon as a customer makes a purchase, they'll instantly be able to download their item and then they can easily print it out. Now, this product contains an entire year of preschool curriculum. So what the seller likely did was they started their shop and then they curated a collection of a bunch of different worksheets. And over time, once they had that collection built, they consolidated it into this yearly curriculum. So this definitely isn't going to be the very first product that you list on your shop. But once you build up your inventory and you create a listing like this, that's a bundle. This listing alone will be able to generate you over $5,000 every single month. Let's take a look at the revenue for the different shops in this niche. So this shop here is generating over $6,400 a month. So let's view this shop on Etsy. So this shop only sells downloadable products, and a lot of these products are very, very simple. So they even have printable flashcards that just have images and words on them. And then they also have a bunch of different worksheets as well. And as you can can see, their listing covers and their shop branding really goes together very nicely. And even though their pricing on these items is pretty low, because they're selling such a high volume of items, they're able to generate over $6,000 a month. All right, let's move on to our next digital product idea, which is baby shower invitations. So a baby shower invitation is going to be a lot quicker to make than an entire worksheet bundle. But as you can see from the monthly revenue here, these types of digital products are generally making less individually than a bundle of worksheets would. I'm going to ignore this first result here because it says Winnie the Pooh in the name, and I always avoid using any sort of trademarked characters because it's just going to be a matter of time before your listing gets flagged and you get sued. So skipping that one, I want to go over to this one that says a little cutie pies on the way. This product is generating over $750 a month. So let's view this on Etsy. Okay, again, we can see from the title here that this is a template. So even though there's a really nice mock-up here that shows someone holding the invitation, the buyer knows that they're just receiving the editable template for this design. And this invitation is currently in over 20 different carts. All right, let's look at the different shops in this niche. Okay, so the top earning shop in this niche is generating over $56,000 every single month. So let's view it on Etsy. We can see from the shop sections here that there's a bunch of different printable invitations. They're selling for a bunch of different kinds of events like baby showers, gender reveals, bridal showers, weddings. And they've got some designs here that are meant to be printed, and then they've also got some designs that are meant to be sent as evites. And this seller has only been on Etsy for 2 years. So just imagine that. Like if you started a shop in this niche right now, within 2 years, you could be generating over $56,000 a month. Let me see if I can find a shop that's a little bit newer. That way you can know what to expect when you're just getting started. So this shop down here only has 45 reviews, which tells me that it's probably pretty new. And it says that they're generating about $1,200 a month. So it looks like they're just getting started, but let's view this on Etsy and see how long they've been in business. So this shop has only been on Etsy for 6 months. They currently have 273 products posted, and it looks like they're building up a shop with a bunch of different categories as well. So they've got baby showers here, weddings, bridal showers, and more. And again, even though they just started this shop 6 months ago, this is still a really new seller, but they've still scaled this shop to a 4-figure source of monthly passive income. So this niche is definitely a great option for beginners. If you're specifically interested in selling either invitations or the printable worksheets that we just looked at, I've got more step-by-step tutorials for making and selling these types of digital products over on my channel. I'll link those in the description box below this video so you can check them out if you need help getting started. I'll also link my Etsy shop starter kits below as well. Those are a great option for those of you who want to sell digital products but might be a bit overwhelmed with the actual designing process. Each of those starter kits has over 160 different high demand customizable digital products, so you'll get everything you need to launch your business and start getting sales as quickly as possible. All right, let's move on to the next product idea, which is an ADHD planner. I've seen a lot of comments from different aspiring entrepreneurs who are interested in selling planners, but the reason I'm focusing specifically on ADHD planners in this example is because I found that with a digital product business, the best way to quickly become a top seller is to build a shop that focuses on the needs of a specific type of customer. I talk more about this strategy and exactly why it works in a super thorough video over on my channel called How to Sell Digital Products. I'll link that video below in case you want to learn more. Now again, we're looking specifically at ADHD planners, but if you're interested in starting a digital planner shop, when you're doing your own product research, I recommend that you write down some different specific types of planners. That way you can cross compare the results and figure out exactly what type of planner would be most worth it for you to create. All right, looking at the results that we have here, this first result says ADHD cleaning planner bundle. That makes me think there's probably multiple different products bundled together in this one listing. So I'm going to skip that one and go to the next one, which says editable ADHD brain dump. This planner is generating over $1,600 a month. So let's view it on Etsy. So this is a printable PDF. So this is going to be super easy for you to make. You don't have to do any of the complicated digital hyperlinking that digital planners require. And it comes as an editable Canva template so your buyers can make changes to it. Again, this product is in over 20 carts. So it's definitely in high demand right now. And the seller actually only has 30 reviews. So if we click their shop on Etsy, I bet they're a relatively new seller. Okay, yes, this is a super new seller. They actually have only been on Etsy for 3 months and they have 123 products listed right now. I'm going to look for this specific shop on Profittree so we can see how much they're generating. So I'm going to click on the shop section up here and they're generating $11,500 every single month in passive income. And going back to their Etsy page, they're doing a lot of things right. So they've got super clear clear, easy to read listing covers. We can tell by their shop name and by the products that we see here that all of their products are specifically designed to help support the function of disabled people and their caregivers. So their customer focus is super specific, and instead of deciding to start a shop just selling generic planners, building a shop around supporting specific customers is really paying off for them super quickly. And that's exactly why I recommend this strategy. All right, I've got one more type of digital product that I want to explore today with you guys, and this product is probably not one that you're expecting. This is a super underrated niche. Most of us probably don't even think about this niche, but it's super necessary, and that is funeral announcements. So going back up to my search bar, I'm going to type in funeral announcements. Based on these results, the product that's generating the highest amount of monthly revenue is generating $312 a month, and we can view this product on Etsy. Okay, so this product is in over 20 different carts, and we can see that it comes in 2 different sizes. So it comes in a printable version and a version that's sized for an Evite as well. Now, this most likely isn't the first type of digital product that comes to your mind when you think of opening a new Etsy shop, but this is a product that people are looking for all year round. And when people are having a funeral or a memorial for their loved ones, the details are extremely important. This is something that's going to eternally memorialize the person that they care about. So being able to curate different designs that really reflect different types of personalities and specific aesthetics and symbolism, this is going to make it possible for customers to find something that feels perfect and really speaks to them, and that is indescribably valuable. Here in the shop section, we can see that one of the top earning shops in this niche is generating almost $5,000 a month. And if we view this shop on Etsy, we can see that this entire shop is focused on memorials, obituaries, and funeral announcements, and they have a very bold, striking aesthetic. And even though the seller has only been on Etsy for 2 years, they've had over 14,000 sales. So if you want to get into a niche that's really underrated that most people aren't talking about, this funeral and memorial niche could definitely be a great opportunity. If there's a specific type of digital product that you want me to explore in a future video, let me know in the comments. And if you want to do the behind the scenes research yourself, I'll drop a link to this product finder tool in the description box below this video. Profitry actually gave me a lifetime offer, and they're letting me share it with you guys, so we don't have to pay a monthly subscription to use their product finder. Every other Etsy seller tool that I've used has charged a monthly subscription fee, and those fees come out to hundreds of dollars per year, but Profitry's lifetime offer is only $65. And again, with that, you'll get access to use a product finder forever. So definitely check that out if you want to do some more Etsy algorithm research. I've actually been super interested in starting a second Etsy shop so I can document the whole process and bring you guys along with me on a brand new business journey. This product research video has been super inspiring, and it's definitely got my gears turning. So let me know which of these products you think I should sell on Etsy, or if there's a different niche I should consider altogether. I've been super indecisive about this, so I'm going to be reading the comments, and hopefully you guys can help me make a decision. If you want to keep hanging out with me, stick around for the video that's going to pop up at the end of this one. And don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos to help you grow your online business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.